Hey, so if your Dropbox files are not updating on desktop, yeah, like you edit a file but it doesn't change across devices or it stays stuck on an old version, that can be really frustrating. In this full guide, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. First, check the Dropbox icon in your system tray. Make sure it's actually syncing and not paused. If it's paused, yeah, just click Resume Syncing. Sometimes it gets paused after updates or network issues. Now, make sure your internet is stable. I mean, Dropbox can't update files if your connection is weak or dropping. Next, restart Dropbox completely. Close it from the system tray and reopen it to force a fresh sync. Yeah, this is important. If two versions of the same file are being edited, Dropbox may create a conflict copy instead of updating. Now, if your Dropbox storage or hard drive is full, files won't update properly. If it's still not updating, yeah, sign out of Dropbox and sign back in. This refreshes your sync connection. Sometimes antivirus or firewall settings block file syncing. Try disabling them temporarily to test. If nothing works, yeah, update Dropbox or reinstall it. This fixes corrupted sync issues and resets everything. So yeah, that's how you fix Dropbox files not updating on desktop. Usually it's sync status, internet issues, or file conflicts. Try these steps and your files should update normally again. Thanks for watching.